Hi everyone. We're going to find the limit using L'Hopital's rule, where the limit as x approaches a from the right of cosine of x times ln of x minus a, all divided by ln of e to the x minus e to the power of a. So let's look at what form it has. If you plug in a here, you're going to get cosine of a. That's just a constant. And then as a approaches infinity in a from the right, we're going to get this negative infinity. So this is just a constant. We have to worry about it, negative infinity. And the same thing for the denominator. And so it just basically has the form of infinity divided by infinity. Now let's go ahead and look at this. I'm going to write this, split it up as the limit as x approaches a from the right of cosine of x times the limit as x approaches a from the right of ln of x minus a divided by ln of e to the power of x minus e to the power of a. All right, now let's go ahead and apply the rule, and we're going to get, for this piece, this is just going to be a constant, which is cosine of a. And then we're going to do the limit as x approaches a from the right, and we're going to differentiate our numerator and our denominator. So for our numerator, we're going to get 1 divided by x minus a divided by 1 minus 1 divided by e to the x minus e to the a power. And you also have to differentiate your e to the x, which is just going to be e to the x. So we can say this is times 1 divided by e to the x. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and write this out as we already have this answer. So we're going to write cosine of a times the limit as x approaches a from the right. And I'm going to pull this out and write this as 1 divided by e to the x times, and now that that's gone, I'm going to flip this around to the limit as x approaches a from the right of e to the x minus e to the a power divided by x minus a. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is this is just going to be cosine of a times 1 divided by e to the a power. And then I'm going to apply L'Hopital's rule to this as well. So when you do that, you're going to get cos of a times 1 divided by e to the a power. And this is, we're applying L'Hopital's rule, times the limit as x approaches a from the right of the derivative. And what we had, let me write this down. We had before the limit as x approaches a from the right, we had e to the x minus e to the a power divided by x minus a. So basically, when you differentiate the numerator here, this is just a constant, so that's going to go to 0. So you're just going to have e to the x power. A is a constant, it's going to be 0. And then the derivative of x is just 1. All right, so what we have is cos of a times 1 divided by e to the a power. And applying the limit here, you get times e to the a power divided by 1. And these cancel out, so your final answer is just going to be cosine of a. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.